Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit and temporary resident visa, step by step. First, confirm you meet the eligibility criteria for both the work permit and the temporary resident visa. Next, collect all required documents, such as your valid passport, a genuine job offer from an employer, and any educational or professional certifications. Ensure your job offer specifies the position, salary, and employment terms. Now, let's dive deeper into the documents. You'll need a valid passport, ensuring it has ample time before expiration, ideally more than 6 months. Secure an official letter of employment from your Canadian employer, detailing your role, salary, and the duration of your work. Additionally, prepare proof of financial support to demonstrate you can sustain yourself upon arrival, perhaps bank statements showing at least $15,000. Once your documents are ready, it's time to apply. Create an account on the official immigration website and carefully fill out the online application form. Upload all your supporting documents, making sure they meet the specified file size and format requirements. Finally, pay the necessary application fees, which usually amount to approximately $255, using an accepted payment method. After submitting your application, regularly check your online account for status updates. Be prepared to respond quickly if immigration officials request more information or documents. This proactive approach can help prevent delays in processing. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals so you can read anywhere. Once approved, you will receive instructions on the next steps for your work permit and temporary resident visa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.